All you need to do is to go down low, baby. Huh? Shock it to you, baby, carry go. What? And people, God, the year now. Who is that?
Now you know now he's the great hunter of Udugbo of one international. Baba, you know.
You mean the great hunter from Udugbo
I'm telling you.
Welcome, my son.
Thank you, Nai. Thank you, Nai.
What do you want
Nai.
the great Agbaja to do for you?
Nai, I need you to do a lot for me. Nai, like you see, this. No, I don't want to shoot you. I don't want to shoot you.
Come on your hand here. You just be holding gun anyhow.
No problem, Nai. No problem.
Hold it like this.
Nai, the problem there is that I know just.
I said, hold this gun responsibly. Hold it like this.
Yes. Nai, if I want to shoot, if I see any animal and I want to shoot that animal, the bullet will go bend. I don't know. Nai, I see my father asked me to come and meet you.
I don't know.
Okay. He asked me to come and meet you so that you will know what you do for me. You know, Nai. Let me. I'm not a. I don't go to school.
Baby.
Yes, Nai. I believe you, Nai.
In Umodigbo land,
Yes.
there's only one way to become a pro in shooting.
Nai, please. I know you can do this for me.
We are going to face the east and the northward of Umodigbo Evil Forest. So we are going to aim at the spirits.
Okay.
So the moment you shoot the spirits, you can shoot anything.
Yes, Nai. Yes. I believe you, Nai.
Your forefathers can testify.
I'm telling you, that's why my father asked me to come and meet him, Nai.
Lead the way, let's go. Yes. Now you are going to target. You are not seeing with your physical eye now. I'm seeing the spirits.
Okay, Nai.
So you are going to practice. Shoot the spirits, okay? Shoot the spirits.
Okay, Nai.
Bend down. Not like that. I wash it.
Sorry, Nai.
I should wash it.
Sorry, Nai. Sorry.
Bend down well like this. May your nyash go backward. Stretch your hand a little bit. Yes. Aim.
Baba, can you see that thing coming? Naiku. Jesus, Naiku, where are you? Naiku.